Launching a lean and steer kayak is easy for one person. A lean and steer kayak can be launched anywhere a recreational kayak can be launched. No boat ramp necessary. Clamp the motor onto the provided motor mount as shown. Our unique twin-tail hull design, patent pending, provides incredible fore-aft balance in such a light boat. Excellent tracking, particularly on plane, protection for the raised outboard motor, stability of a mid-engine design, little wake, and shallow draft. Follow engine manufacturer's instructions for starting motor. Before starting motor, make certain the motor is not in gear. After starting motor and engaging gear, gently and carefully use tiller to adjust trim for center position. Efficient, 10 miles per hour on only 2 horsepower, 40 plus miles per gallon. Planes at only 6.2 miles per hour. Accelerates quickly and efficiently. Steering a lean and steer kayak is easy. Simply lean, use the paddle, or both. Can be paddled like a kayak. Great for getting to those shallow, out-of-the-way places. Use the motor to cruise to near the location. Tilt the motor up and paddle to your destination with only 4 inches of draft. Tough, proprietary epoxy fiberglass carbon fiber composite hull is highly impact and UV resistant, built to last a lifetime. This epoxy composite has been field tested for over 15 years, providing the strongest, lightweight hull in the market today. Lean and steer, light, fast, and fun. One person, one boat. What could be more simple?